Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Arhad Ahmed, student of Rajshahi University, Department of Banking and Insurance. In this video, I will show you how we can compute the NPV, that means net present value. So one question may arise that what is NPV? That means net present value. NPV means the difference between the discounted value of future input, so cash inflow and the primary investment. So let's go to compute the net present value by using the Microsoft Excel. Here we take an example. Here we can say that a firm's cost of capital is 10%, and the primary investment for project A is 42,000, and for project B is 45,000. And the future cash inflow for project A are these, and the future cash inflow for project B is this. And from this information, we have to calculate that NPV, that means net present value, and we have to take a decision that which project is most useful for the firms. So to compute the NPV, first of all, I have to use a formula. So first of all, I have to use, I have to put equal sign, and then the formula is NPV, that means NPV. Then double click on NPV, and first of all, we can see that we have to use the rate, and here we can see that the cost of capital is 10%. So I click on 10%, and then put comma. And now I have to add all the future cash inflows. We can see that for project A, these are the future cash inflows. So I select these and close the bracket. And now I have to subtract the initial investment, since there is already a sign of minus figure, minus. So there should be add a plus sign, and then I click on the primary investment. And after that, if I click on the enter button, I will get the result. So we can see that the net present value for project A is $11,071. And now I am calculating the present B in the same way. After that, I am come back. So I add these values in the same way as the project A. Now, if I click on enter, I will get the net present value of project B. So we can see that the net present value for project A is 11,071, and for project B, that is 10,924. So now I have to take a decision that what project is best for the company. So we know that which NPV is greater, then we will take the project. Since the net present value of project A is greater than the project B, so I will take the project A for my farm. So that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. So the farms should take the project A for their farm because this has the higher NPV. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.